Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. My today's tutorial is on this very beautiful and trendy clay art bun stick, and for this project we will require the Fevicryl molded. You will get the link to buy this from the description box. In the package we have got two more packages. One is the resin base, another one is the hardener. We will take equal parts of both the resin base and hardener. For that we will take the knife and cut out equal portions of both these ingredients. We'll take little bit of powder and mix these two portions along with the powder and roll it with our hands like this. At first the mixture will contain two colors, that is white and grayish brown, but you need to mix it till the mixture is monocolored, that is completely white. Okay, so we will continue to mix this until we get a uniform mixture. The mixture is now completely white and uniform. Press it and see it. Okay, and then we will make a spherical roll out of it. We will take small portion of this mixture and then we will roll it out using a roller. And when you have got the desired circular shape, just let it dry for at least 3 hours, and after 3 hours it will harden up. Now it's completely hardened up. So we will now paint it completely white. I have used acrylic paints. The white color will act as the primer for the paint I will be using later on. Now when the white color has been dried up, we will give a coat of blue colored acrylic paint on it, and then we will let it dry for some time and give another coat of the same blue color. And when your blue color has been dried up, just make your desired drawing. I have made a Ganesha symbol. Just take the white color. I have taken 000 sized paint brush and made the outline first. And when I was satisfied with the outline, I just built up the color using the same white color. And when your painting is completed, we will now move on to the bun stick. I am recycling an old bun stick because I did not like the painting on it, so I wanted to repaint it. So you will design it according to your own choice. We will keep aside our bun stick and move on to our clay piece now. We have taken a circular cardboard slightly bigger than the clay piece and taken the Fevicol. We will stick the clay piece to the cardboard in the central position, spread the glue evenly and then just press it to stick it. We will allow it to dry for some time. And then we will take a jute twine and along the border we will add the Fevicol and we will stick the jute twine along the border in this manner. We will cut out the extra portion after setting the jute twine properly around the clay piece. So we will take the scissors and cut out the extra portion of the jute twine and stick the remaining jute twine to the already present jute twine like this. And now we will set the jute border well so that there is no empty space in the inside position. And when you are satisfied with the jute border, just cut out the extra portions of the cardboard to neaten up your work. And when you are satisfied with the pendant, just take the bun stick and now we will be attaching the pendant to the bun stick. So for that I have taken jewelry making wire. You will get the link to buy this in the description box. We will take the needle and pass the wire through the needle hole and then we will pass the needle through the top portion of the pendant like this and take out one end of the metal wire like this. Now we will be taking a contrasting colored bead. I chose a red colored bead and pass the two ends of the wire through the bead hole like this, and then we will pass one end of the metal wire through the hole present in the bun stick and tie a knot with the other end of the metal wire in this manner. Tie a tight knot, make a double knot okay, and then just cut out the extra portion of the wire using a wire cutter. And then the last part is left. We will just attach an oxidized pendant to it. So for that we will take a jump ring and pass it through a hole made at the lower portion of the jute and cardboard. We will use a plier for inserting it and then we will take the metal pendant and pass it through the jump ring and close the jump ring using the plier. And finally our tutorial comes to an end. Our bun stick is ready, so it's completely trendy and beautiful, and it will look really beautiful in your hair. Above all, you can use this design for making earrings and pendants and brooch, anything you wish. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. And I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. You will get my crochet patterns there, and I will soon update my website, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel because my channel is filled with crochet, clay art and fabric tutorials, so you will just love it here. So thank you. Have a great day.